Hi everyone and welcome back. Today's video I will be doing this gorgeous diamond eyeshadow tutorial. Like I promised before, I finally found some of the diamonds, not all, but I found some of them and we decided to go ahead and quickly film today. So if you really are interested in finding out how this look came about, go ahead and simply keep on watching. So to quickly get started with this look, what we want to do is we're going to be playing a lot with the grays, and then the eyeliner will be the black portion of the look, but it's just going to be mainly a gray eyeshadow. Honestly, I think I used just like a couple, one I'm looking at right now, and we're just going to work with that, blend out, give us that illusion of a smoky eye. Like always, I feel like that's all I do. And yeah, so the palette I'll be using is my Morphe 350 palette, and this one is so old, but I've had it for such a long time. And it's just like, it's all the brown tones, warm tones, etc, etc, etc. But they do have a really nice, like a grayish one right here, which it doesn't look like it's gray on the camera as I'm looking at the monitor, but otherwise it is in person. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and play with just that gray when we get to it. But in the meantime, I'm gonna quickly take the lightest shade in that palette, and I'm using the mermaid brush, the loose bristle one, and I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and put this eyeshadow all over my eyelid just to give myself a nice platform to work with. Next, I will take is this Japanese? Nope, it's Morphe M573 brush. It's on the looser side as well. I already used it. And I'm gonna go into the gray color that I just showed you guys. And I'm quickly just gonna go ahead and just start creating a very soft crease. And of course with this, I will be just kind of pushing this eyeshadow outward here, because it will be more of a cat eye look. So I want to just start leading the eyeshadow in that direction, just to kind of help line up my eye when it comes to the eyeliner. And I'm actually going to jump into even a darker shade, which is right here on the bottom here. I hope you guys can see. Yes, right there. And I'm going to just take a little bit of that with my Morphe M514. I used it as well. And I'm gonna go more in the outer corner of the eye here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just quickly dab on it. And this will be it for the softer portion of the crease. And now I am getting a hold of and this is like my second time trying this one, but I just got it. It's my Morphe concealer literally in white. Doesn't give you the shade, but oh well. It's this guy right here. Actually, I don't mind it, for the price. I mean, it's not like Shape Tape or anything, and it's pretty rich in color, which I also like. I think it's really important when you're trying to go for that like white eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna take that, and I'm taking my Japanese 727 brush, like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and get a hold of this concealer on it and just start creating that crease. And it's not gonna be a full crease, which you guys will see what I mean. Like I'm literally just gonna kind of stop right there with it, right? And then I'm just going in and adding more of the concealer, but I'm using it just to blend it more out and make a smoother surface on top of my eye. So when I lay that white eyeshadow on top, it'll look really smooth. So here I am just kind of blending this out more, and I'm not, as you can see, I'm not putting concealer in this area at all. I'm basically just kind of blending this out into the eyeshadow in the outer corner of the eye. And that's it. And that's how you like just like create that transition that's like really smooth between concealer and then eyeliner and then eyeshadow. Next, I am going into my James Charles palette, which is also by Morphe. It's the mini one. And I'm going in with my loose brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade White here, right there. And I'm gonna take my mermaid brush, take the white eyeshadow, and just pat this over the white concealer, just to set it in place, and as well as enhance the white look. So now that I went ahead and I put this white eyeshadow on, what I want to do is I want to go back into my Morphe 350 palette, and I just kind of want to go ahead and pat more of it on to the outer corner of my eye, blending it in with the white even more, so like that, just kind of give it that smooth transition. And now I'm going into Morphe M514, and I'm going back into the darker gray color that I have in here. With this eyeshadow, I'm going to just quickly go ahead and give this more depth. Do not drag this color out towards the white at all. You just want to give yourself like depth in the eyeshadow, if that makes sense. You just want it to be more dramatic in this area more than anything. So try your best not to go into white with this one. And now for eyeliner. And of course right now I am using my Physicians Formula liquid eyeliner. It is waterproof as well, but it's not as crazy as waterproof as the Stila one, because that one, let me tell you, whoa, you know, it will not come off. Anyway, so when it comes to eyeliner, the whole point is to make this, since we do have this eyeshadow kind of already creating the little lead for us for the eyeliner, you want to be very, I don't know, dramatic in this case with the eyeliner. So the wing is going to be extremely long, kind of like you can see on this side of it. Extremely long and very sharp, and I'm going to do my best because I have absolutely nothing to lean my elbow on here. So I'm going to try and do my best here to create this wing without any, you know, assistance from the table. So I'm going to just create a line like this. So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and quickly just kind of darken it right outside of the eyeliner up there, just to give us that more dramatic eyeshadow look. And I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that all the palettes come with. So, or it comes with all the palettes in foreign, sorry. And I'm going into that dark brown shade again in the Morphe 350. And I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of slowly but surely start building up that shadow here. So basically the whole purpose of this is just so the diamonds can kind of add to the look and make I think like they appear more when you have like something dark under them. So for that reason, that's why I'm doing this. And I'm also just kind of sort of trying to hide my eyeliner here a little bit as well, just so it kind of blends in all together. Now I'm gonna quickly go ahead and curl my eyelashes here. Quickly put on a mascara, whichever mascara you guys have. Go ahead and put that on. Now I'm quickly gonna go ahead and put my eyelashes on. I use Royal Silk from Kiss. I should probably switch that up, you know. I should probably go back to my House of Lashes to like Iconic or something crazy. You know? Now on to our diamonds. So the diamonds, I am using actually, this is like a one big sticker, and I got this, I believe, at Hobby Lobby, and it's going to be like a sticker aisle. And this is a funny story because these were not the diamonds I was going to use originally, but I had this, it was like the first thing I found today, and I had this since I was trying to decorate my graduation cap for college, and I never used these. Thank God I didn't throw them away. And I put this like onto the palm of my hands. I don't know if you guys can see, it's right there. And because they're so little, and I've lost a bunch already using doing my other eye, so they like just popped out and they just like went bye bye. And I'm using my eyelash glue to glue them on. And I'm gonna go in here and just place the first one like that, and then take the other side of the tweezer and just press it in. Just like that. And then do that with the rest. Now that I already applied all the diamonds onto my eyelid, I'm now going to take care of the bottom part of the eye. I am going back into my Morphe 350 palette. Is it M350? Shoot. Nope, just 350. Oh my god. We're losing it over here. So I'm going in with my Morphe M573 brush. I'm going back into that gray shade. And I'm just quickly going to put that on the bottom part of the eye here. And then I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush with the smaller one, and I'm going into that darker brown shade. And I'm just gonna go ahead and tap that on the bottom even more. I'm very surprised that with this look I don't have any falling out. It's kind of shocking. Usually I have like a ton of it, but not with this one for some reason. Okay, now I'm gonna grab my, I think it's, I'm not gonna say it. Oh, Palladio. Whoa, hold up. Yeah, Palladio white eyeliner. It is in a gel form, and I'm just quickly going into the waterline here and just putting that on there just to kind of brighten up my eye. Now I will be going in with my Stila Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner. This is the eyeliner that I was mentioning to you guys before, and this one I do the inner corner eyeliner. And this is the complete look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. It would be greatly appreciated. Follow me on all of my social media, and thank you all so much, and I'll see you all next time.